Ever dreamed of capturing professional-looking videos on the go without lugging around a bulky camera? Imagine having the power to create stunning visuals right in your pocket. Whether you're a vlogger, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves documenting life's moments, the Osmo Pocket 3 is designed for you. Introducing the Osmo Pocket 3 by DJI, the pocket-sized powerhouse that lets you unleash your creativity with stunning 4K video and rock-solid stabilization. This tiny device packs a punch with its advanced features, making it easier than ever to capture smooth, cinematic footage. Let's unbox it and see what it can do. Inside the box you'll find the Osmo Pocket 3, a charging cable, and a user manual to get you started. The setup is quick and easy, so you can start filming in no time. Subscribe for more tech reviews. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the features and capabilities of the Osmo Pocket 3 and show you how to make the most out of this incredible gadget. As content creators, we've all been there, struggling with bulky cameras, shaky footage, and sacrificing quality for convenience. It's a common frustration that can really hinder our creative process and make capturing those perfect moments feel like an uphill battle. Traditional cameras can be a real pain, especially when you're trying to capture life's moments on the go. The sheer size and weight of these cameras can limit your mobility, making it difficult to get the shots you want without feeling like you're lugging around a ton of bricks. Large cameras restrict movement and dynamic shots. When you're trying to get those smooth, cinematic shots, the bulkiness of traditional cameras can be a major obstacle. Shaky footage becomes almost inevitable, and it can be incredibly frustrating to see your hard work marred by unwanted camera shake. Without stabilization, even small movements are a nightmare. Every little tremor or jolt is magnified, turning what should be a beautiful, fluid shot into a jittery mess. This lack of stabilization can make even the most basic filming tasks feel like a Herculean effort. Lightweight options often mean sacrificing video quality. While smaller, more portable cameras might seem like a good solution, they often come with their own set of compromises. The video quality can suffer, leaving you with footage that doesn't do justice to your vision. It's a tough trade-off that many content creators face, and it can be disheartening to feel like you have to choose between convenience and quality. The struggle doesn't end when the filming does. Editing shaky footage can be a nightmare, and trying to salvage low-quality video can be a time-consuming and often fruitless endeavor. It's a constant battle to find the right balance, and it can leave you feeling drained and discouraged. But it doesn't have to be this way. With the right tools, you can achieve smooth, high-quality footage without the hassle. Modern compact cameras are designed to give you the best of both worlds, portability and performance. So you can focus on what really matters, creating amazing content. But fear not, if you've been struggling with capturing smooth, high-quality footage on the go, your worries are about to end. The Osmo Pocket 3 by DJI is here to solve all those problems. This tiny yet powerful device is designed to be your ultimate companion for all your filming needs. Let's take a look at this little powerhouse. With its sleek and compact design, the Osmo Pocket 3 fits perfectly in your hand, making it incredibly easy to handle. Compact design emphasizes the pocketable size and ease of carrying it anywhere. Whether you're traveling, hiking, or just out for a walk, this device can easily slip into your pocket or bag. Subscribe for in-depth reviews of all the features. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into what makes the Osmo Pocket 3 a must-have for content creators and vloggers alike. 3-axis gimbal. Explain how it stabilizes footage, eliminating shakes and bumps. This advanced gimbal technology ensures that your videos are smooth and professional looking, no matter how much movement is involved. 4K video and high-resolution sensor. Focus on the ability to capture professional-looking visuals. With its 4K video capabilities and high-resolution sensor, the Osmo Pocket 3 allows you to capture stunning, crystal-clear footage that rivals professional cameras. Now let's put this little powerhouse to the test. Time to see how it performs in action. Let me know in the comments below. Are you excited for this unboxing? Wow, look at that buttery smooth footage. The Osmo Pocket 3 is incredible. It's compact, captures stunning 4K video, and the rock-steady stabilization is a game-changer. Pocket-sized convenience, stunning 4K video, rock-steady stabilization, perfect for vloggers and content creators. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech content. So, what do you guys think? What's your favorite feature of the Osmo Pocket 3? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxing goodness.